Joining us now is Dr. Joshin of Contour Dermatology, here to discuss a new kind of filler that's helping patients eliminate fine lines around the lip area. Thanks for joining us today. Okay, I'm going to try and say this. It sounds a little bit like a hocus pocus Halloween spell, which I thought was fun. Juvederm Volbella XC. Can you explain what that is?
Well, Juvederm is just the brand name. So people have heard of Juvederm that's been used for years and years and years. And there are varieties of Juvederm. There's regular Juvederm, there's Voluma, and now we have the Volbella. And the XC just means it has xylocaine in it.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about more what is in it and how exactly that lip plumping works as part of it.
Well, the thing that's great is hyaluronic acids are naturally occurring in our body. We have it in our skin naturally and also in our joint space. And so what it is that it's a new technology with hyaluronic acid that's going to be used to fill the lips. But the great thing is we'll be able to use it in other areas as well.
Okay, so we have some examples here of a before and after.
Yeah, you can see the deflation and then you can see the plumpness after, and it just looks natural.
Now, how many injections does someone need to get that look?
Well, you know, typically people think that you can get these gigantic lips from doing fillers, but the reality is you'd have to do a lot of injections in order to get that. So these results are from one syringe.
Very good. And how often after the fact, how long will this last?
Sure. Now, what's great about this filler is that it lasts a little bit longer than the others. The other ones were about a 6-month filler. This one will last for 1 year.
Okay, very good.
So it's great.
Are there any side effects that people need to be concerned with?
Well, you know, there's a standard side effects. So people get really shocked that they can get bruising when they get injections, which always makes me laugh a little bit, but they aren't laughing, so I don't laugh. But you can get bruising, swelling are the common side effects. Now, there are a couple more serious side effects, but those are really kind of act of God side effects.
Okay. And to avoid getting these fine lines in the first place, what are some things that people can do to be preventative?
Well, you know, unfortunately, a lot of women think that they get the lines from smoking, but a lot of my women who have the fine lines do not smoke. And a lot of women think that by using a straw they can get the fine lines, but really it's just nature. Unfortunately, it's part of the aging process that you get these lines.
Now, I know you also mentioned, or maybe you didn't mention it, but it was in the press release talking about blowing kisses, and that even making that shape with your mouth, that can cause those fine lines as well.
Exactly. So if you don't want to use your mouth at all, you might prevent the wrinkles, but unfortunately
it's a pretty natural thing that's going to happen no matter what.
Exactly.
It's kind of hard to prevent at this point.
Exactly.
But this is pretty new. It's something that you guys are offering pretty quickly here.
Exactly. We're the first to get it in the desert, I'm told. That may not be true, but I've been told that. And we are having a lunch and learn in mid-October about this filler and other fillers that you may want to select.
Well, very good. We look forward to seeing that. Our thanks to Dr. Joshin for joining us, and we will be right back coming up with more news and weather to go after the break.